I'm always open to new shit.
32, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Ooh, ooh. Here we go. Oh shit. This nigga's dressed like a fucking minion. Can't talk to me. You know, when I was like, I really don't care for underground music, but I got an open mind. This is why I don't have open minds. The old way cipher. The old way cipher. Old way cipher. I bet. Oh, bet. And it's 8 minutes. Is shorter than this? Yeah, bet. Excuse me? Huh? For one, walking in the trap with no socks, nigga, you're just dirty. And then you try to diss me saying I got groomed on Roblox? Bro, music's not for everyone. Look like a freaking minion. Maybe cosplay or some shit at DreamCon. Like, what? Okay, that was hard. See, I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. Black Ops. Is this a parody? Chat, let me know now. Because I will click the fuck off. Nigga just said, I need to get my swag up, so I went to the grocery store. I seen no horse, so I left the grocery store. If this is a troll cipher, I kinda don't care to watch this. I'll be honest. I don't think you went to Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I don't think you went to Chick-fil-A, bro. Whole time the nigga probably went to Popeyes. Block a hole like to go. Okay. Okay. White hoes in Norway. Da, 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 da. I got white hoes in. Okay. Okay, ask the nigga out like tic-tac-toe. Okay, okay. We getting into these simple bars. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Slap! Okay. Okay. That was decent. I mean, it wasn't good, but it was decent. Talk to me. You look like you're from Atlanta. You dress like Atlanta nigga. Skinny jeans, over big ass hoodie. I have an originals hoodie that does something like this. I don't like it. Talk to me. Yeah, check it out. You put an ad in a cipher? Money Hungry Crew, I guess. Talk to me. Oh, I rate that last one a 6 out of 10. Come on, Lutek. Yeah, he dressed like an Atlanta nigga. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like this better than the last two. He kind of sound like Baby Santana. Speaking of Baby Santana, what the hell happened to him? Baby Santana. Oh, his name is Tanner just now. Last time, Magic City. He sound like Platboy Max. Okay. How y'all feel about this one? Man, all these bitches didn't know I'm the. His is decent. That look like my homeboy named Jordan. If he was here, if he was actually like here, I would tell him to come through and then put his face to the camera. Chat, would I be like doing a disservice if I skip this entire cipher? Not the cipher. I mean his entire part. This beat is actually killing my ears. This beat is actually killing my ears. I'm sorry, I can't. You're not even saying anything, bro. Don't rage bait me. Don't rage bait me. I just realized he's not even saying anything. Bro, I can do it. Bro. I'm in the spot. What? I'm in the spot. Get lit, get fried. I'm fried. Get the fries, not a bag. Get a tag, pay the tag. Yeah, I'm done. Got a chin on me, but I'm not Natalie Nunn. Hold on. What? Hey, I said it again. Wait, I spin it again. Running it back now. I'm playing it then. Wait, hold on. I said what I said. What are my dads? We in the spot. In the spot. Yeah, we. What? Like literally, that's all I gotta do. That's all I gotta do. That's all you gotta do. All you gotta do, bro. I can't listen to this. Like, I'm not even trying to be mean. This is actually unlistenable. Why is it still going? Talk to me, white boy. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. She treat you like what? You should probably get away from her. I'm not gonna lie. Is this drip chat? Like, y'all can't even see it all. Yeah, hold on. So you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of if they try to put Baby Kia or like them Atlanta drill rappers, or is it called drill? Atlanta drill on like a little type of beat. It will never work. It will actually never work. Shit, squat me up. Oh, chat, bro. Okay, so boom, so look. I have a stream idea where we make a song on stream, but like like niggas just upload band labs and do all that shit. No. I actually have a studio I can go to. A studio. Well, it's in the nigga dorm, but like come on, chat. Me and my boy say, we gonna run that shit up, bro. But that means my internet's gonna have to act right. And I don't know how. You feel me? So don't get your hopes high. Don't get your hopes high. Chat, you know I gotta build my portfolio for Streaming University, bro. Ivies. Talk to me. Who next? What the fuck is this? This nigga look like, bro. Mayor from Lorax. Yo, y'all doing him crazy. Who? What industry plant? Y'all mean. Whoever his manager, y'all doing him wrong. I know y'all getting the bag probably, but you gonna make him look like this? Y'all wrong. Nigga look like Edna Mode. Y'all mean. Y'all are mean. Y'all are actually mean. The manager, y'all are. Don't say so, kid. What does he? This nigga look like he's from Yu-Gi-Oh. Dead ass. What does he have on? Bro, get the jacket from Yu-Gi-Oh. He go. Edna Mode hairstyle. He go. Thrift store pants. He go. Well, everything else is black, so I gotta have a black shirt. Like, what? Yo, music's not for everyone. Sometimes just crack open a book. Sometimes see if you could cook. See if you can cook. Sometimes, maybe you just want to work on a car. Like, rapping, music's not for everyone. We need doctors, lawyers, and all that. I wouldn't want you to be my doctor nor lawyer. But still. I don't. And the crazy thing too, Slimy, I don't blame you. I think it's your manager. If you have one. If it's not, it might be a mental deflect. It dead ass might be. But I'm here through. I blame Ken Carson. And Destroy Lonely. Without them, we wouldn't have this. And he made me believe in industry plans. Like, I'm so serious. You thought Doechii did it. You thought Killer Roy did it. Nigga, you thought Lil Nas X didn't know. It's you. Bro, dead ass look like the Lorax nigga. And that's not a good thing, bro. You're still young, so you can still change and all that. Take the aluminum foil out your mouth. I ain't gonna lie. Cut that hair, bro. You feel me? You can get in the gym, take the jacket off from Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Death Note. I don't discriminate. And get a blue collar. Get a blue collar job. It's okay. We need doctors. Yeah. We need doctors. We need lawyers. We need veterinarians. Don't come near my dog. But still. Yo, Shadow, how you feeling? How you moving? How you living, my boy? How your day been? Don't mind this. Please don't mind this. Yeah, please don't. What is it? Like, actually, am I cooked? I have a PS3 in 2026. No, you can sell it. You can sell it for a good amount of money. What games you got on there? I can't even believe I'm bopping my head to the beat. Oh, producer, you're no better. I just bought it to play it. Oh. Well, I still, it's not. You're not cooked. Because depends what games you get. I would actually love to have a PS3 right now. Infamous. Oh, shit. Infamous 1, Infamous 2. I never played the Infamous games, even though I got one looking at me right now. And some Yakuza games. The only reason I never played the Yakuza games, which we might start on stream. Because they just didn't speak in English. Is that racist? Hope not. Oh, yeah, you good. You're not cooked. I would try to be. I ain't gonna lie. If I'm you right now, I'm playing Infamous. I'm playing at least the first one. Right now. Does he only have one hand? Oh. Okay. Chat, will y'all ever get a face thermal? You know what this nigga look like? He kind of look like him. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not fully. Just a little bit. It's the braids. Chat, I might play Yakuza on the stream. I don't know yet. I did say I want to game this week though. I don't know what to get on Game Pass though, cause I don't know what y'all want to see. Ooh, I'm not like, yo, I'm probably in the studio working. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Put me back in the studio, chat. Put me back in the freaking studio. Actually. Oh, is he rapping? Okay, concrete. Yeah. Yeah. Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. I could teach you how to jugging niggas is a passion. Okay, so what I'm hearing is the first part was ghostwritten by Lil Yachty, Camo, DC Trill, and then you made the rest. Vision as a kid, I wanted glasses. Niggas is not either. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not with him. I'm not with him. I'm not with him. I am not with him. I am not with him. What the? Is he trying to kill my ears? You can't even hear him. Yo, you had me, then you lost me. Then you had me again, and then just chucked me away. Come on. I don't even remember your name, bro. Nigga, ear raped me. I can't even hear you, twin. What is we doing? What the heck? I love you want to see what Dante said. I want to see what Dante said about that. Wells Fargo, you took $100 out of my account.
Niceable.
Hold on.
What the fuck are you doing here? Whoa! What the fuck?
I'm not even gonna speak on his cut.
I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women.
Yo, I'm gonna be honest. I'm be honest, bro. I'm be honest. This shit disrespectful. This shit disrespectful to him and the last guy. This is fucking disrespectful. I don't care. I don't care. This is disrespectful to them, bro.
Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it.
Facts, all the niggas that was just before you. This is disrespectful to your craft, nigga.
Chat, I could get like this, but I have someone else in the other room, so I'm not gonna get loud. You feel me?
What?
Ah, man. Now that was real. That was real. Kaepernick! That was hard. I didn't even hear that. Wait, hold on. I did not hear that. He said, bitch on the knees. Kaepernick. Oh, hold on. I did not hear that part. What the heck? Wait, that was hard. Colin Kaepernick.
This nigga, you don't belong here. You're so much better than all of them. Oh Get you a nigga that can do both. Fuck is you talking about? Oh my god.
Niggas asking for some substance and they put like nothing in it. Bitch on my dick, on my mama, on my slap bitch. Bitch on the knees.
Colin Kaepernick.
Teach you how to juggle niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision as a kid, I wanted glasses.
Yeah. Don't, if you wear glasses, you're disabled.
My disability is not your fashion statement.
Oh, see, I was right.
Man, nigga, I don't fuck with you no more. Yo fucking lost me. You fucking lost me, bitch.
The passion. 20/20 vision as a kid, I wanted glasses. Niggas is not eating. Might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the four-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money,
I'ma
grab it.
the speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the truth.
Hold on! That boy's sliding!
Then that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up the bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers.
Yeah.
What the fuck is it? I don't know what's happening.
What the heck? Hold on, I gotta see Dante's reaction to the Edna Mode nigga.
Now it's loud as fuck.
I'm sorry, chat. I couldn't react like Dante, bro. I couldn't. I was actually pissed. Like, what am I listening?